Hey fam, Ahliyah here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video where I will be launching my head wrap line, Queen of Wrap, honey. Yes, you are looking at the first style, the first design, the first installment of my long-awaited head wrap line. I know you guys have been asking me, honestly, since I have started my YouTube channel,
Ahliyah, where do you get your head wraps? Where do you get your head wraps? Where do you get your head wraps?
I have filmed a head wrap tutorial over a year ago, and I couldn't really link you guys to a site or anything because I never got them from a site. I got them from every damn where, all street shops and vendors and flea markets, and I've always wanted to have my own head wrap line, but I never really knew how to go about getting the ones that I get on the street, like the ones that I get in flea markets and the ones that I get in Chinatown. And I finally just sat down, did my research, and tried to dig to find where I could get the same exact style of wrap that I wear so I can sell it, and I finally did! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited! So this is the exact material that I would wear, but it is a new style. I don't even have a purple head wrap, and I really love the hue of this purple. It just looks so royal, it looks so majestic, it looks like a queen, honey. And I finally settled on the name Queen of Wrap. Queen with a V, and I thought it was so perfect. Like, it was just a perfect ass name. Like, I was like, oh my gosh, because I was just listening to Nicki Minaj one day, can't even lie to you, and I was like, you know, Nicki Minaj is a queen of rap. Queen of Rap. I was like, bitch, that's the name. I was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So yes, today is actually the day I am launching Queen of Wrap, and I'm so excited. It doesn't even feel real. I'm trying to make it feel real to me. It still feels fake, like it's not happening, but it's real. It's here, and you can shop it literally right now down below in my description box. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, let me stop being weird. So let me get into the logistics, if you will. Is that what you say? I don't know. So this is how the head wrap is coming packaged. Oh gosh, hold on, let me get it together. This is how the head wrap is coming packaged. It is actually very large, it's very wide, it's very long, okay? It's going to be coming in this rectangular shape, neatly folded in this plastic protective casing, if you will. Let me just show you how large this can really be. When unfolded, this is how wide it is. Like, it's very long, wide scarf, okay? Boom, that's still folded in half. You can unfold it again, and it's just a really large scarf, okay? You don't even have to use it for head wraps. You can use it as a neck scarf, you can use it as a hijab, you can use it as a shawl, as a poncho, whatever you want to use it for. You can use it for a multitude of reasons. Oh my gosh, it's such a beautiful scarf. I'm so happy that I came across this shade. It's one that I don't have, and it just felt like the perfect first style to launch. Everything will be shipped via priority mail USPS, okay? So shipping will be fast. It will be like in 2 to 3 days, but I am going to temporarily start selling my head wraps on Poshmark. The reason why I chose Poshmark first is to not only protect myself, but to protect you guys as well. If you don't have a Poshmark account, just go ahead and make one. If you already have Facebook, you could just link your Facebook, fills everything in for you. It's free, the account is free, everything is free. You ain't gotta pay for nothing. When you buy things through Poshmark, you can see when your stuff has shipped, you can track your shipping, and you will know when I ship your package, and we are both protected in that way. Poshmark is a very secure and established seller's market, so temporarily, as I'm just getting this thing off the ground, we are going to be selling through Poshmark. It just felt right for me to do until, you know, I get the funds to start establishing a beautiful, aesthetically pleasing website that is secure, and both of us are protected as well. I will be selling the wraps for $15 each plus $6.79 shipping. Now, I don't control the shipping cost. Poshmark controls the shipping cost. However, their shipping cost is cheaper than the small flat rate USPS priority mail shipping price. Okay, so this is actually a cheaper alternative to the shipping cost, because if I were to be calculating the shipping based on where you live, it would be way far more expensive. Especially shipping it in this sized box. This sized box is like $15 shipping cost. So we are getting a deal on shipping. You get a nice professional, looking shipping label. Don't worry, this one is just a mock-up shipping label. No one's address is on here. Don't you worry, girl. You're gonna get a nice professional looking shipping label on your package. And of course, you're going to get a nice handwritten thank you note from me. Every single thank you note will be handwritten because I really appreciate you guys supporting me. I appreciate you guys even loving my head wrap style, my head wrap aesthetic, my head wrap fashion, my head wrap swag. I always, aim to match my head wraps to my makeup and my earrings and my backdrop, light color. By the way, yes, we have a new film setup. It's more brighter. I painted it white. That video is coming. It's still not done yet, but when it is done, the film setup transformation video will be coming, ma'am. And as we start to get those sales in, we start to make revenue, okay, we start to generate sales, I can continue to upgrade this head wrap line and bring in more styles and more colors. Let me know what colors you would like to be seen so I can, line them up, okay, have them in my notes app so I can know to get that color next and that color next and this color next and that color next. And you don't even have to wear your head wrap like how I wear it. But if you do, don't you fret. Follow Queen of Wrap on Instagram because tutorials will be coming onto there, styling videos, more pictures, more colors. And when you follow me on Instagram, you will be the first to know when I drop a new shade, okay, a new style, a new color, a new aesthetic, a new installment. And of course, I want to see pictures of you guys in my head wrap, so be sure to tag my Instagram page, Queen of Wrap, hashtag Queen of Wrap, so I can repost all your beautiful photos on my stories and on my Instagram feed, so we can get this thing rolling, you guys. I'm so excited. So if you have been wondering why the hell doesn't Ahliyah answer the freaking question, where did she get her head wraps? This is why I have been ignoring that question, because I've been trying to source my own head wraps myself so I can have my own line, and I just thought this was very fitting. A long time coming, a long time awaiting, and I wanted it to be mine, okay? I want to be able to now link you guys to where I get my head wraps, and now I finally can. And I really appreciate you guys supporting me. I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you guys so much. I am so grateful for you guys. I'm a whole businesswoman now. I gotta run ahliyahmichelle, and now I gotta run a Queen of Wrap now, and I'm very excited, a little nervous. So yeah, I hope I got everything out that I needed to say. If you have any questions, be sure to comment it down below. Also, if you go to Poshmark and you want to buy more than one head wrap, be sure to bundle it. It'll have a bundle up option, so you're not paying for shipping twice, okay? So if you want more than one head wrap, just bundle it up so you only have to pay for shipping once, okay? Poshmark real cool. If y'all not hip to Poshmark, then sis, get hip. And welcome to 2020, honey. I know I've been off YouTube for a whole month since Vlogmas. I thought I'd come back on with this video, with this banger, okay? And get ready for the queen to expand, okay? I love you guys so much. Be sure to shop Queen of Wrap down below in the description box, as well as a pinned comment. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I'll see y'all in my next upload. Bye.